Most students think linear equations are easy, and they can be. But the SAT loves to make them tricky with word problems and multi-step setups. Let's make sure you never lose points on these. A linear equation has one variable with no exponents above 1. The goal is always the same. Get x alone on one side. Let's start with a warm-up. A gym charges a $20 membership fee plus $8 per class. If your total bill was $60, how many classes did you take? Set up the equation. 20 plus 8c equals 60. Subtract 20, 8c equals 40. Divide by 8c equals 5 classes. Done. Now let's step it up. A phone company charges $35 per month plus 10 cents per text message. If this month's bill was $52, how many texts were sent? 35 plus 0.10t equals 52. Subtract 35, 0.10t equals 17. Divide by 0.10t equals 170 texts. Here's where it gets SAT hard. The equation 2 times the quantity x minus 4 plus 3x equals 17. First, distribute the 2. 2x minus 8 plus 3x equals 17. Combine like terms. 5x minus 8 equals 17. Add 8 to both sides. 5x equals 25. Divide by 5, x equals 5. 3 steps, but each one is simple. Now the SAT trap. The equation 3ax plus 5 equals 3x plus k has no solution when k is any value except 5. Why? Because if you subtract 3x from both sides, you get 5 equals k. If k is 5, that's always true. Infinite solutions. If k is anything else, it's a contradiction. No solution. The SAT loves testing this concept. Let's recap. For linear equations, remember 3 things. 1. Always isolate the variable step by step. 2. Distribute before combining like terms. 3. Watch for no solution and infinite solution traps where variables cancel out. Practice more on NovaMaths.